will get on after leaving school. I will get my career started. Are you aged 16 to 17? Have you left school? Are you unemployed? Then a traineeship could be perfect for you. It's brilliant. Take the traineeship in construction, for example. Everything is geared to helping you learn skills that you need to be a success. The training providers have set up a real-life construction site where you can learn all aspects of the building trade.
I do a construction course. Every different days I do plastering, bricklaying, and I do carpentry. Mostly I do plastering and bricklaying. I didn't know any skill whatsoever before I came here, so everything I know now is because of this college they taught me.
I was a hairdresser at first, and then I moved to construction because I didn't find hairdressing was the one for me. I've learned loads, how to do joints, how to do a wall, how to plaster a wall.
Doing the course will teach you a lot. You'll learn on the job, and you're given the trust and the responsibility to work on your own and with other students to get the job done. The tutors are always there to help, of course, but it's up to you to make a go of it.
There's no exams or tests at all, just your qualification. You've got your own portfolio, you just make your way through there. The tutors mark how good your work is. It's up to them then to give you what qualification is, like award, certificate or diploma.
The tutors are really nice to people, and if you just look stuck, they'll help you and they'll tell you what to do. In school, I didn't learn anything. I just didn't listen, didn't knuckle down.
A traineeship is perfect if you left school not knowing what you want to do. It will give you the time to try out different skills and open doors for you. Whether you want to continue your learning, go on to college after you finish your traineeship, do an apprenticeship, or find a job.
20 years time I see myself running my own business, employing employees and then teaching them to be trained carpenters and joiners.
I'd love to be able to work for myself because I don't have to worry about anybody and I'm my own boss.
I'm enjoying it and I make loads of friends. Because it's interesting, I find it good fun and I like working hard. Construction is amazing. It's changed my life so much.
So if you want to get on like these trainees, then you know what you've got to do. Get on a traineeship. I will get on after leaving school. I will think about a traineeship in construction.